I don't know why I started the car because I'm not even going anywhere. But let me show you guys. I think the engine's hurting a little bit. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you guys could hear me okay right there, but like I was saying, I think the engine is hurt a little bit, you guys. It's got a really bad lifter's tick. The serpentine belts need to be replaced because they're squeaking. The timing belt is a little loose. The engine entirely is just kind of hurting right now, guys. She still runs okay, but here in the springtime, I do plan on doing a full restoration on the engine. Not like the internals, but like the timing belt kit, the lifters, belts, everything, water pump, all that stuff. So anyways, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys being here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for clicking on that video. It's been a couple of weeks and I do apologize for the lack of upload, you guys. These last couple of weeks I was sick for a couple of days and then school kind of was just a little crazy last week, so I didn't really post anything, but we're getting back into it. We're starting today. Today is a new day. It's a little bit warmer today. It's still pretty chilly here in Utah, here in Salt Lake City. But it is a new day and it's a little bit warmer, so. What? Alright guys, getting right into it. In today's video, we're going to be doing a couple of things. Starting off, as you guys saw in the title, I have these LED lights from LazFit, or LazFit. I don't really know how to say that. LazFit, I think. These are some LED lights for the Honda Civic. I believe these work for $19.99 to $2,000. They are full LED, so they have the high beams and low beams. They're not HIDs, but these are actually supposed to be pretty good quality. LazFit or LazFit, I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that. They sent these out to me to try them on my Civic. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna install these today. And then when it's dark and when you can actually see the LEDs, I'll show you guys just how they look. So I have these aftermarket mud guards, mud flaps, whatever you want to call them, to go on the Civic. Which did come with a few screws here. So we're also gonna install these today, hopefully. See how they fit and see how they look. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with getting the bumper off and then get right into getting these headlights off. We're going to take them into my room, get the new LEDs installed, probably buff these headlights out and get some ceramic coating on them, and we'll be set to go. Alright guys, I got the headlights in my room, I got the LED lights in here, and like I mentioned earlier, I have these mud guards. So now what I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to clean these headlights up. They are a little dirty, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this drill here and buff them. I'm going to use some normal Meguiar's compound and then some polish afterwards, just to get them looking as good as possible. Kind of get all the scratches out that I've gotten over the winter, and just kind of refresh them. After that, we'll put on the ceramic coating, and then we can move towards putting the LEDs in. Let's do it. Alright guys, I'm all done with the first headlight. I cleaned it and I did the compound and I did the polish. And this is just a little comparison to the other one. Check this out, you guys. That's the left side and that's the right side. Obviously this one is still dirty, but I mean, with the polish and the compound, look how amazing that looks, you guys. I'm gonna get a better angle here. So there's the old, I guess, or the one that hasn't been cleaned yet. And there's the new. Look how amazing that is, you guys. That really cleaned up nice.
Nice.
So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and clean this one up, probably off camera, get it cleaned, get it compounded, and get it polished, and then afterwards we'll let it dry. Then we can come back with the ceramic coating, and while we let it dry, we'll go ahead and install the LEDs. So I'm going to go ahead and get this done, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I got both sides finished up here, and I used pretty much this Meguiar's compound and the Meguiar's polish. I will leave these linked down below if you guys want to use them. Obviously they work very well. You can see that one is the left side, how it was before, and how it is now. So it's honestly beautiful, it's amazing. They were new a few months ago, so I mean it's not like it's, you know, doing a full restoration. There's no clear coat fading or anything, so it was pretty easy, pretty simple, but they look great. So let's go ahead and get those LEDs installed. We'll move on from there. Alright guys, let's get these bad boys open. Like I said, they are from Lasfit LED lighting. We're gonna go ahead and see how these guys hold up, how they look, and how they compare to other LED companies. Right off the bat, you got this little cutout showing you that you have the lights in there, which is pretty sweet. And I just ripped it. That's my bad. Go ahead and pull that off. Looks like they give us probably some instructions right here, but yeah, product manual. We're okay, we don't need that. Looks like they also sent out some stickers. Lasfit. Let me know if I'm saying that wrong, you guys. Hopefully I'm not. I think these do come fan cooled. As you can see, it's these guys right here. These little boxes right here do cool the, or at least right here, I don't know. I think maybe this is like just the fuse box or something. But anyways, I don't know a whole lot about these lights, but I am hyped, I am excited because like I mentioned, they do have both the high beam and low beam all in one. Looks like this is the fan back here, so that keeps it cool. And this is probably just like the fuse box so it doesn't short out or anything. And it says do not touch when hot. Can you guys see that? Anyways, this is pretty nice, you guys. I mean, the stitching is honestly really good quality here. The connections look great. The fan honestly looks amazing itself. It's like got some weight to it, so it's got to be better than most other lights out there. I'm gonna go ahead and assume this is the left side, or no, the right side, sorry. Pull this guy out. This is probably the left side. So like I said, pretty amazing quality. We have yet to see how they look in the car and especially at night, but I'm excited to put these on, you guys. Look how different that looks. I have put LEDs on my other cars in the past and they never had this little notch right here. It's kind of cool. Anyways, like I said, pretty great quality overall. I'm hyped to put these in. I do want to thank Lasfit for sending these out. I'm excited to see how they're going to look in the car. So without further ado, let's get them in the headlights. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and start with the left side, the left headlight. Pretty sure all it is taking this guy off, twist that, pull it right out. I guess that's all you do. So I do already have LEDs in my headlights, but they honestly have not been the best. The fan cooling isn't the greatest, as you can see, and this little box, I mean, it's just not brand, it's not name brand, it's not really good quality. So I'm thinking these Lasfits are going to be a lot better in my headlights. Alright guys, sorry for taking so long there, but I finally got it installed. Don't know if you guys can see that in there. It's kind of difficult to turn it, but it's in there. Trust me, it's in there. But it took a little bit to get in. It was a little difficult, but we got it. So we go ahead and get the other side in, and then we can throw these back on the car. Well, actually, we can do the ceramic coating, and then we can throw them on the car. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got the Lasfit LEDs in both headlamps now. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and take this Armor Shield 9 Avalon Kings ceramic coating and ceramic coat these bad boys. But first I'm going to clean them again just to get every dirt off that I just got on. And then blow it off with my trusty air duster / blower. Get the ceramic coating on, throw them back on the car, and we can do a test tonight to see how they look. Alright guys, so I got the first one coated, or at least the first coating done. What you do is you wait about 3 to 5 minutes, let it oil up, and then you wipe it off with a microfiber towel, and then you can hit it with a round 2. I'm with the fam and a swish. I know you're missing this, and when I'm with the team, yeah, we know we never miss. I feel feels like
On my own, in my zone, floating high above the world. Give me a sign, we'll make it real. It's a lot of chemistry with the right vibes. Lose yourself out of space, it's the right time. Whoa, 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 I'm feeling alright. Whoa, 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 loving the.
Looks like she works, guys. It's a little fan though. That little fan is kind of annoying. What the heck? I guess if the car's on, you wouldn't be able to hear that anyways, but... Alright guys, sorry about that. My battery ended up dying on my camera, but I got everything finished up here. Got the right side, or driver's side, and the passenger side all installed. And man, do they look good, you guys. I'm so hyped. Looks like they're brand new, which technically they are a few months ago, but throughout the winter they got a good beating, so I just wanted to restore them. So they look a lot better now. The LEDs do work, but I'll test those out at night like I said. For now, let's move on to those mud guards. Alright guys, ignore the mess here, but so far one down. You guys can see this right here. I know the lighting's a little bad, but I've gotten one on. It doesn't fit perfectly, unfortunately. That's just kind of what happens when you have aftermarket. But I did get 2 screws in there. You can't see very well, so it's kind of nice. Have them in there now. I still don't have my, whatever you call those, fender liners in yet. We'll be putting those in the springtime, so I just want to get these on now so I can kind of have them on. Why not? So first one on, I'll go ahead and get the rear done, and then I'll show you guys once I have the final product.
Soon after.
Alright guys, I have finally officially gotten everything on. Took such a long time, probably an hour and a half, an extra hour or so. But there's the front one, and yes, I know everything's, you know, not color coded, guys. Everything's off. That black is different from that black. That black is different from that black. That one's different from that, and that's red. These wheels are ugly. This whole car is just a big project right now. I totally get it, you guys. But she's in the process, you know. I'm eventually gonna get this whole thing sanded down, get the windows tinted, get those blacked out, and then get everything painted. So just a process. But I got the rears on. They actually look a lot better than the fronts. I just had to take the rear wheels off, unfortunately, to get them on, but they are on now. Here's the other front as well. I'm super hyped for that, super stoked. Got the bumper back on, and there are the headlights, you guys. Bumper doesn't even fit very well because I need to do some modifying there. So, huge project car, but things are coming along. I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead, get something to eat. It's a little bit chilly. Go back inside, and then I'll come back out once it's dark. We can test those headlights and see how they really look, and that should be it. Alright guys, it is nighttime. Sun is going down. It's getting dark. It's not like pitch black yet, but I figured I'd do the light test right now, just see where they're at. If we want to, we can come back here in a second and do it again when it's darker. But it ended up snowing, unfortunately, a little bit, and my car got wet and my headlights got wet. So the ceramic coating got wet, unfortunately, but that's okay. I dried it off, so hopefully it continues to cure. Anyways guys, go ahead and start this up for us. Let's turn it on. Alright. There's the look, you guys. Look how bright that is. I'm gonna be blinding people on the road. Looks like they're both very clear, very bright. Goes out pretty nicely. And I think that's just the normal, that's not even the brights. Let's go turn on the brights. Okay guys, this is my view with the normal lights. Well, it says the brights are on, but for some reason it's like opposite in this car. Those are the brights, those are not. Brights, not. Brights, not. That's pretty nice, guys. Holy crap. Get you a better view out here. So to top it off, I've got the LEDs for the license plate, LEDs for the tail lights, and now LEDs for the headlights. I mean, I already had LEDs before, but these are like legit, and these are actually really nice. The only LEDs that I don't have are these corner lights, but that's okay. That looks so sweet, you guys. It's not all that dark, so I mean, you know, but it's amazing. It's not that dark and it's still that bright, so it's just goes to show how nice these lights are. Alright guys, it's been a couple of days since I finished filming the video. I wanted to give it a couple of days so I could test out the LEDs and kind of see how they work and whether I actually like them or not. And let me tell you, these LEDs are amazing, you guys. They are way better quality than my previous LEDs, my previous headlights, and the halogens. Granted, I'm pretty sure I am blinding everybody on the road, but everybody else's headlights are crazy bright anyway, so that's fine. But anyways, just want to give another shout out to LawsFit. Thank you for sending out the LED lights. I will leave them linked down below for you guys if you want to go grab yourself a pair. Pretty sure they have LED lights for just about any car. So go grab the link, go down there, get some for yourself. I believe we are working on getting you guys a discount code, but we'll see. As for the mud flaps or the mud guards, they look awesome as well. They kind of add a better look to it. Once everything's painted, once everything's done, I think it'll just give it that OEM feel, I guess. But anyways, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching the video. Go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Appreciate you guys for watching and following the channel. But that is pretty much it for the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.